No one wants to live as an orphan. But when it happens, it's a lonely, painful, and very fearful experience. Having no family to call your own, or no parents who will ever look for you when you don't come home on a dark night. Some people think that orphans are no good and treat them as second-class beings in the society. They are unwanted, rejected, and unloved. But these children are real human beings, just like the rest of us. The only difference is that they have no parents. Bongkhonni, meaning elder sibling in Setswana, is a mentoring program that was created to meet the needs of orphans and vulnerable children who lacked the consistent guidance of a concerned adult. 3 years on, the program has made a profound difference in the lives of over 100 orphans and vulnerable children living in the Chobe district, as well as the lives of over 50 adult volunteers who served as mentors in the program. This program was initiated by the Kasane office of the Botswana Red Cross Society with the assistance of the United States Peace Corps. Since then, the program has grown from strength to strength.
In 2002, the Botswana Red Cross Society started a home-based care project in Kasane. And after establishing that project, during the implementation, the organization identified a gap in the psychosocial support given to children who are orphaned or vulnerable. This led to a new project being implemented called Bongkhonni, or the Mentorship Project, which was started in 2004. And the need that was identified by the organization emanated from the fact that the government of Botswana provides adequate material support to the orphans and vulnerable children, but the psychosocial aspect was missing. With the assistance and support of the US Peace Corps, the Red Cross started this project, which entails having young adults being trained on psychosocial support, being trained on issues that surround the needs of orphans. And these are mostly drawn from civil service and from the communities. These mentors, as we call them, are trained to provide counseling, to provide life skills and coping skills to these young people. They play the role not of parents, but of big brothers or mentors. And they work hand in hand with the caregivers of the young people, where they ensure that the young people do their homework, that they do well in school, and over weekends they spend quality time with them that they would probably have enjoyed if their parents were still alive. The project also helps the young people to do what we call memory book, where they are assisted to remember their departed parents. It also builds their self-esteem and coping mechanisms, where we also help them to do what we call hero book. In this case, the children or the orphans and the vulnerable children actually assess their own milestones in coping to the new life situation of living without parents, where they see themselves as heroes, where they actually aspire to better things in life.
The fundamental idea underlying Bongkhonni is that adult volunteers can be paired with individual children and with the commitment of only a few hours a month. They provide invaluable support and guidance which would otherwise be absent from the lives of vulnerable children due to the scourge of AIDS.
Program ena ha simolla ena e ne lebeletse bana ba dingwaga tse 8 to 17. Me lebeletse gore bana ba dingwaga tse di 3 go go 7 ga ba tlhaloganya thata gore tota ga re Bongkhonni re bo re raeng. So ga re batla gore ba tle ba ipolelle gore gongwe re batla go tisa batsadi ba bone o re ke batsadi ba bone.
Ke nna go molemo ga ditshwantsho ke dira kwa la boraro ko Chobe Junior Secondary School. Dingwaga tsa me di 15 ke nna le Bonkuku sa thogela ke batsadi ka 1999. Ke joina mo program ya Bongkhonni kwa diswa ke Skara le Douglas.
Then Matau Makondo, Kunali 13. My mother Utokahetse gave Vala to Kinali 9 years old.
I'm Regud Gagambi.
and living in Chobe, a young girl aged 13, and I'm coming from the North Village. I joined the Bonkone mentoring program in 2005 while I was 10 years old till now, and I'm still in the program, and I want to progress until where maybe I want to progress until I become from the mentee program to the mentoring program, or then I become a volunteer in the Red Cross Society, as well as the Bonkone mentoring program. I started after my parents passed away, so there was a mentor living by our side, and she knew that I was an orphan and I was so vulnerable that I needed to get into the Red Cross Society, which deals with mostly the vulnerable people as it is their objective.
Bana ba dingwaga tse 8 to 17 ke bona ba ileng gore ga re ne ra ba bolela ka program ena ba ne ba tlhaloganya gore tota mme ga re batla go replace batsadi ba bone.
By matching volunteer mentors with children, the project hopes to build a bond between the two, which will last for many years to come. The idea is not to replace the children's parents, but to give them a new friend who is willing to help them with their homework, play games, and be there for advice and guidance.
During Bonkone programs, like now when you're having camps or you're just meeting somewhere, we play games, those games with messages, and then we get life skills, life knowledge, things that are beneficial to our life, to everything, our daily actions, and we get advice. Because sometimes, like that time when I taught about the 3 C's of maybe making choices, in order for you to decide something, you have to first consider the 3 C's, the challenge. What's the challenge about it? What's the problem? What do you have to decide about? And then the second C, you make a choice between those options. The third one, after you make a choice, you then consider the consequences, the ones that will be the bad effects of it. And the other things we learn are just how to interact with people, how to socialize, and to tolerate, because we have to live in peace and harmony with others. We can't just say, no, this one is like this one is like this. No, that's not a good way. We are taught good ways of behaving, good morals. Pele kwa sa mo programa Bonkone ke ne sa thoganya sepe. Sa itse sepe go thelele. Le ka takala mo sena kwa sa mo programa Bonkone re a ke na batsadi. Bonkone ba sa re bolela sepe go thelele ke le ka takala mo gala sentse kwa sa mo programa Bonkone re a ke na batsadi.
Mo Red Cross ne ka ithuta gore ke ska nna ke kutlwa botlhoko ne dira maikutlo a me a welela sentle dira ke ska kanya dings.
I used to be a shy girl. Now I'm a confident girl because they boost up my self-esteem. I have got a high self-esteem nowadays. I can stand for myself. I can make a choice. I can even debate when necessary. Because they've told us to believe in ourselves, believe in yourself and trust what you do. Do not get easily influenced. Do not get easily influenced by peer pressure like others do. If your friends tell you to do this, you just accept it, whether it's positive or negative. No, you should believe in yourself, trust yourself, do what you think is right, not just what others do.
The program also provides structured group activities that include recreational sessions, family picnics, and trips to the Okavango Delta. These trips are both educational and entertaining. Bonkone offers a very practical and immediate route by which a concerned adult can undeniably make a difference in the life of a child and become directly involved in the battle against the effects of HIV/AIDS. Each of the adults who have participated in this program as mentors asserts that the rewards of helping children in a concrete way with real-life issues far exceeds the cost of time and effort which they contribute to the program.
go bona jo tse gore di botlhoka mo botshelong gore a iphate mo dilong tse gore di ka morela mo botshelong gore botshelo ba go bo ska ba ke tsa gore la ntlhaloganya bo ska ba hella ga go sa siamang teng
mo programeng ye o thelele gore re kopana le dikgwethela tse dintsi le dimento ka gore tota kana o kopangwa le ngwana o sa mo itse a ba bolelelwa go te ke disikala go te la sikangwa yaanong o sa mo itse mme hela dikgwete tsone re kgone go di rarabolola hela go sena la le bothata ka gore le bone ne ba boleletse gore bo mogolo a bone.
If you are having some troubles out there wherever you are having some problems, the only solution, the Bankona mentoring program, it will take you somewhere that you will never believe that you could have reached there. It will help you. You will succeed from it. If you're a bad person, you will grow up into a new person. You will even know the bad from the good. You will start up your own life, your new life, depending on yourself, knowing what is good or right, knowing that we have to tolerate in life. Life means all people. Life means being together as one.